With my countdown.
Hello, I'm Ed McFarland, the chef owner of Ed's Lobster Bar. Today we're making simple chicken soup. I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to make chicken soup under 2 hours, super delicious, full of flavor. I have everything here in front of me. We have the chickens, potatoes, onions, carrots, celery, garlic. We're all ready to go. Just have to cut it up. I'm going to show you a little trick with the chicken where we're going to peel the skin back so it's easy to remove the meat afterwards, but we definitely want the skin in our soup. That's where all the flavor is. So let's get started. The onion stays whole, right in the pot. Can't be any easier, it's just peeled. Garlic, peeled. We're gonna do just, real simple cut on our carrot in big chunks. For the celery, another rough chop right into the pot. I mean, how simple is this? Same thing with our potatoes, just like the carrots, nice and big chunks. Now, you'll notice I have a very large pot here. What you want to have is a pot that you're going to be able to fill to the top with water. This particular pot, I'm just going to fill halfway. But you want to really make enough broth with your chicken soup. So I would say for 2 chickens, the amount of ingredients I have here, maybe a 12-quart stock pot is the perfect size. If you don't have something that big, by all means go a little smaller, use what you have. First, we're gonna clip the wings, throw them right in. The wing, favorite part of the chicken for me. I'm gonna pull those out and eat them just as is. So, we're gonna separate the legs first from the body. And then we're gonna cut straight down the middle here. Break that out. The back of the chicken, throw it right in the pot. So here's what we're gonna do on this side. We're going to remove our chicken skin. We're just gonna peel it back. Peel the chicken skin back, all the way back. Take a snip. See the chicken skin off of here? So when your chicken is ready, you'll be able to pull it right off the bone. You can throw the whole piece of chicken in, just like that. On the legs and thighs, we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna peel the skin all the way back, so it's easy to pull the meat right out. If it stays attached at the bone right here, don't worry about it. When the chicken's done, you'll be able to remove that. Separate the thigh and the drumstick right in the pot. Last thing, we're adding the tomato in. We're gonna go fill our pot with water and get it on the stove. It's gonna take about an hour and a half at a simmer to make the perfect chicken soup. So, chicken soup in under 2 hours, made really simple. Smells like home. It's perfect, great for a cold winter day or even a spring or fall day that's not that cold. I think this is the perfect meal. This is home cooking at its best. That's delicious.